Hi, I'm Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to talk about the coilover kits for the C5 and the C6 Corvettes. I've got a C6 on the lift. I've already done the installation on the left-hand side. We're going to now do the installation on the right-hand side. The front shocks are a compression adjustable shock. There's 6 points of adjustment. By turning this knob, you can go from full soft to full firm. On the rear shock is 11 positions from firm to soft, and it is a rebound adjustable shock. So come along, check it out, and we'll show you how we do it. We're going to install our double adjustable shocks on this C6 Corvette. This particular Corvette has been used as a development car for us for the last couple of years, so the leaf springs have already been removed. So in order to get it apart, you have to take the upper control arms loose, you have to take the sway bar loose, and then drop everything out so the shock can be removed. So what we've done on the double adjustable, we're using the T-bar on the bottom so it works just like the original shock did. We're using this loop to stem style adapter because the upper mount is a stem style. And then we're going to take our nut, we're going to take our flat washer, and then we also have this washer that fits into the 7/8 hole in the frame. So that goes on here to locate the stud, and then in turn this large washer is going to go on the top, and then this is a flange nut. So it is a locking style nut, so that tightens down so that it secures everything so it doesn't move around. So we're just going to do the installation and show you how it goes together. We've now just completed the installation of our double adjustable C6 front shocks. We're going to move to the rear and show you how that's done. We're going to install this double adjustable rear C6 Corvette kit. The C5 and the C6 are very similar, so the installation is virtually the same. The kit includes the clevis, the upper bracket, the hardware. It is a rebound adjustable, so there's 11 points of rebound adjustment from soft to firm. On the compression side, there's 6 points from soft to firm. Follow along as we install the shocks. We have now finished our installation of our double adjustable shocks on our C6 Corvette. I'm going to use our spanner wrench to set the final ride height and get the car ready to go to the alignment shop. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.